Hello everyone, I'm Harvey Leona and I take a IQ test and my result is 107 up to 123 and for me, my IQ is still very low and I need to more improvement for myself because for me, an IQ is means you have a very high potential to meet your goals and you will have a big financial comes because your IQ is high. So many companies want to want you and to to me I will study hard to improve myself and to show to all my IQ is not very high but I will do my best. Because of doing best is I can got my goals in life and I want to support myself because being a low IQ for now to a man have a big goals and I will do my best to achieve my goal. Thank you.